So this is question number 2 of NCERT class 12th chapter electric field, electric charges and fields. And now we are going to solve this. Let's see the question what it says. So the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 coulomb due to another small charge sphere of charge minus 0.8 coulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. So this force is acting on these two charges because of electrostatic force. What is the distance between the two spheres? What is the force on the second sphere due to the first sphere? So basically what they are asking is they are given two charges. Let's see this and this. This is the two charges, that is q1 and q2, and the distance between this is not given, that we have to find, and the force that is acting between this is F is equal to 0.2 Newton. That q1 q2 is given, the value of q1 q2 is given. So first of all, I'll write the given that what is given, that q1 is equal to 0.4 microcoulomb and q2 is equal to minus 0.8 microcoulomb. So this can be written as 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and it can be written as 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, right? So one more important knowledge is that micro means 10 to the power minus 6, milli means 10 to the power minus 3, and nano means 10 to the power minus 9. So this is the extra knowledge that you know and keep in mind. Now after that, what we have to use? The basic formula. We know that by Coulomb's law, we have F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square, right? F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. Now by putting the values, what we get? Putting the values we get, if we know that is 0.2 Newton, and the value of your coulomb is K is equal to 0.9 into 10 to the power 9, and Newton meter square coulomb square per coulomb square. Then your Q1 is going to be 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and that other charge is going to be Q2 is going to be minus 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, right? And now what is this going to be? Is divided by R square, that we don't know, right? So basically what we are going to do is we are taking R square left hand side and force right hand side. Now we have 9 into 10 to the power 9, and that is 0.4. Q1 is equal to 10 to the power minus 6, and here minus 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6, right? And now what we are going to do is we have divided this with 0.2 Newton, right? Now we are taking root this side. We are taking leaving R this side, and we are taking root of this side, right? But there is a catch, that this negative sign here that you can see, that this negative sign is going to be problematic. So for that, what we are going to, because in root we can't take negative sign, otherwise it is going to be imaginary. So we know that negative sign is always for attraction, just for showing attraction, right? This is just for showing attraction. So we have considered that there is a negative, we have taken out negative sign and consider that this is just for attraction. We know that this is for attraction. Now we write it as 9, and simply what we have to do is we have to take the power of tens one side, and the the other values one side, right? So we are taking 9 for simple calculation. 9, then 0.4, then 0.8, then 10 to the power minus 6, then 10 to the power minus 6, and that all are divided by 0.2. okay, so now what we are going to do is 9 into 4 into 4, and the decimal we are going to be taken downside like this, and we are taking this 10 downside, and we are taking this decimal into numerator. So this is going to be like this. okay, and now what we can do is we can divide this 8 by 2. From 2 divided, we have to divide 8 by 2, then we are going to get again 1 4, right? And this 10 is, can we cancel out with this 10, right? So and this 10 we can take it in numerator. Then this whole thing is going to be 9 into 4 into 4 into 10 to the power minus, we have 10 to the power minus 12, and 110, that is we have in below, that is remaining, is going to be 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 12. This is going to be 10 to the power minus 12, and after that 10 to the power minus 12, it is one thing there is missing is I haven't taken that in consideration. That 10 to the power minus 9 is I have missed here, so I have to also write the 10 to the power minus 6. This is the mistake that we do in while calculation. So this 10 to the power 9 is missing here. So now what are we getting here? Now after that calculation, this thing is going to be 10 to the minus 6. 10 to the minus 6 is going to 10 to the power minus 12, and this 10, if we are taking up in numerator, it will going to be divided by this 10. So it is 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 8, sorry, and this 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power minus 12 is going to be 10 to the power minus 4, right? So after that we haven't taken root till now, so let's take the square this side. And now 9 into 4, 4 into 4 is going to be 16, 4 into 4 is going to be 16, and this 10 to the power minus 4. Now this is simplified, and now we are going to take this root. After simplifying this term, we are going to take this root. So now we can get a good answer from this. Now we can get a good answer, and we can also get convenience in getting this answer. So this r is now going to be 3 into this 9, the root of 9 is 3, the root of 16 is 4, and the root of 10 to the power minus 4 is 10 to the power minus 2. So this is going to be 4 3 is 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and this can also be written as 0.12 meter, and this is the value of your distance between this two charged spheres, right? So this is the answer that we are getting. And first of all, just remember that this minus sign is taken out because of this attraction force, and we have taken out because if we are taking root, it is going to be an imaginary number, and it is impossible to solve, right? So after that you have to just deduct this term in a very simple form, where you can take a direct root of this term and don't miss any number, so that you will face any, if you are able to face any issue, that means you have done some mistake. So see that if you have any missed any number in the calculation, then after simplifying, take root, and then take root simply, and you can get this answer as we have got here clearly, right? So this what we can do, and it is very simple question. Okay.